Hi, I'm Kim. I'm all of 6260 Hana, California today. So if you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Kind of a weird day. It's partly a solo day for me and partly a meeting with my best friend and her kids. So I don't know if they're going to want to be in the vlogs or not, but if not, we'll still have fun. We'll take a look around and enjoy Disneyland. Second week of March, and I think we've hit spring break crowds. Anyways, it was longer to get in today, so I think it's that time of year. But anyways, that's okay. That's what's nice about having a season pass. I was able to get a fast pass for Matterhorn before I meet up with my friends. So that'll be nice and a good ride before the little younger ones get here, because that's not their speed. Which is fine, because I'm actually excited because it's my little godson's first time at Disneyland. Yay! So that should be exciting for him. But anyways, let's look at some scenery. Okay, so I am noticing some masks around. I'm not going to show people wearing masks, but it's definitely more so than there was last Friday. But I've had some people say you must be nuts going to Disneyland because there's a coronavirus. Well, maybe, but how's it any different going to the grocery store or work or anything else? Don't know. So we're not going to let that get in our way of any fun. That's our philosophy. Wash our hands, good hygiene, and you know, you can get it anywhere. But you can't get Disney magic anywhere else. So that's our thought. So yeah, you're hearing me talk a long way as we're walking over to Matterhorn. It's been a while. It's been a moment since I've been on Matterhorn. I'll try to record it while I'm going. Alright, we'll see you on the Matterhorn. It is definitely spring here. So they had these little Rice Krispie treats for $4.99, or little eggs or bunnies. And they have a Happy St. Patrick's Day Mickey. Does he bring you good luck? For $21.99. These Mickeys. Okay, that's kind of sweet. And that is $21.99 as well. And you got a little mini. So this is a Holly Jolly Bakery. Some seasonal treats and fruit. Salads and stuff. So I did mobile ordering and saved myself a bunch of time. Put in my app, and they even gave me my annual pass season discount, pass holder discount. So instead, they're already prepping my food, so that's awesome. Save some time, everything's pre-done, a few pushes of the buttons, and we're off. Okay, this is another thing I thought was kind of cool. I seriously thought about this Dia de los Muertos hand pie, maybe later. And those Matterhorn macaroons. Yummy. Alright, from the Holly Jolly Bakery, breakfast of champions is served. Alright, how about Swiss Family Tarzans Treehouse? Hayden would be jealous because I never go on this with him or Brad. minute since it's changed. Okay, now I think it's just a really long walk down. Alright. The end of Tarzan's Treehouse.
He is a bad toy.
Alright, sorry, haven't been around much. I know I'm with friends, so that's a little bit different kind of a day with little kids and anyways, my godchildren, so it's a little different day at Disney for me. You want to say hi, Marisa?
Hi!
I don't know if you can see you.
Welcome to Disneyland!
We're leaving Disneyland.
Welcome to California Adventure in a few minutes.
Yeah, so we're going to enjoy some food and wine.
Anthony, photobombing.
Okay, there's Anthony and Donovan. Alright, so apparently they decided to join in the vlog today.
I wanna see him dancing.
Okay, I'm walking back through the Grand Californian. It was a fun day. I didn't vlog a lot because there was the kids with us. So one of the things I'm going to try tonight, and I'll let you know, is I'm parked in the Pixar Pals parking lot and to see if it's easier when the park's closed to walk through the Grand Californian. That's what I'm going to do, is walk through the Grand Californian and see if it's better. But I'm going to stop by a store because, I don't know, it's kind of fun.
This has mine. I would take this one.
I like coming through. I like to come through and look at the new DVC stuff, see if there's anything I like, but I don't see anything today. I've seen it before. Except for they still have this chip nutcracker from Christmas. It is really cute. Alright, I really like these hats. They're kind of cool. I don't know. How much are they? It's a $29.99. So I'm going to walk back and close at the same time. It's not that bad of a walk. It's by... I had to walk through the old ESPN building to get back here. So not too bad. Sorry, bad lighting, I think. I mean, the path is really well lit. There's a bunch of people walking here, so that's kind of nice. It was a really fun day today at Disneyland Resort. I went with some friends. Thought we were going to get to do some more food and wine, but that didn't happen. So that was just kind of a change today. Okay, so today we saw some of our subscribers, which was really cool because before, a year ago, they were in our food and wine vlog, so it was really nice to see them in the parks again. So that was cool, and it's kind of fun. So that was a highlight of the day. One of the reasons we vlog is to become a bigger part of the Disney community. So that was awesome. Anyway, so it was a great day, good food. Fun rides. It's more of a classical Disney day as far as I did more of the darker rides, things like that I hadn't done for a while, so it was fun. Kind of strange because Brad and Hayden aren't with me and I miss them. So I believe walking back to the Pixar Palace parking lot through the bridge is a much easier way to do this if there's a 2 or 3 backup. So that worked out well. And it's always good to walk a little extra after some treats in the park. But overall, fun day. I'm glad I came out. And so it's time for me to say goodnight because I'm a little tired. And I'm going to say goodnight and find your magic. Bye, everyone.